Good morning, guys. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2016 Pete 389 glider kit for you. It's a Pride and Class edition, equipped with a 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed, 317 on the clock. I've fired it up this morning already, gotten it hot, so it'll be full operating temperature. I'm going to show you the oil pressure and blow by. I'll do a full walk around for you. It's a 72-inch flat top. Interior is really clean. Matching leather Pride and Class seats. Oil pressure jumps up there really nice. Engine's clean, not leaking oil anywhere. Great steer tires. It's got the polished fenders on it. Moderate blow by. Gotten into the fender a little bit before. Not major damage, but it's got a couple dings there. Bumper and grill is in great shape. A couple small dings on the front there. It does have a single line wet kit. Practically new rubber on the rear. Good brakes as well. Does have some rock dings on the back. It's probably hauling a frameless end dump, so with a single line and block fifth wheel. Let's see if you look close. Some scratches, some rock dings there on the back. Does have a little damage on the very top part of the tip. Both tips on, if you can see it. You'd have to be up high to see it, but if you're looking close, you can. Truck mechanically is in great shape. It's got a few dings cosmetically. Overall, it's still nice. Interior is really clean. There you have it for a Pride and Class glider kit. Really cool looking truck. If you got any questions, you can always reach me at 901-896-4526. Thank you.